Previously on Benzie, I locked myself in a garage until I built my dream car. I spent multiple nights in the shop slaving away to get this car ready to start, but I ended up burning out too early. But what I didn't know then is that it wasn't even possible to start in the first place. But what's even worse than that is that I'm running out of time. I have less than a month until I have to move to Arizona, which means I have 30 days to turbo, rebuild the suspension, tune the car, or else I'll be forced to abandon it. And this isn't a ChrisFix video. I'm just kidding.
Hey guys!
Hello again. I am so much better than yesterday. We are back in the shop with the deli. I'm waiting for my friend Dylan to get here because he's gonna help me today. I feel so much better. Yeah, screw the wheel. Not doing decaf. We're getting this car running. That's all that matters right now because I'm running out of time and I don't have time to play games. I don't have time to mess around. I just have time to get wrenching, have snacks, have caffeine, screw decaf, screw no caffeine. Let's get it. Time for a little unboxing. So I got these polyurethane mounts. I thought they inserted like inside of this, but I realized they're like literally inserts. Like I have to like shove them in. So I need to get the silicone spray. All right, got Dylan here. He's about to head out. We just did all of that down here. Did suspension, brakes. Couldn't have done it without this guy.
Let's go.
It is now a couple days later since you've seen me. I had a wedding to go to. It was lovely. Congratulations to my sister. And today is gonna be one of the hottest days of the summer. All right, I need to make some kind of game plan to get this thing fully hooked up. I don't know what I'm doing, so I need to figure out like what hoses go where. Got this fancy new eBay radiator. On this car, we got a couple hoses in. Had to find this bracket that I accidentally threw away. Guys, it is hot today. Like, it feels like a straight up heater. I don't know how else to describe it. But I got some Blue Raz lemonade. Okay, since I don't know what else to do, I'm just gonna try to install the wiring harness just for funsies. What else do I do? Good morning. It is currently 10:20, Thursday, the 14th of August. Got a white mocha, pretty hot still. I waited 30 minutes. Okay, we do have some leaks and I know exactly why. It's because I replaced these two O-rings with some, well, I didn't replace one of them, and also I tried to jerry rig some O-rings to fit on there and it went in, but it did not hold water. So I have the part already ordered. I had a feeling, I was like, I think that's gonna leak. Just tested it, let me shut off the water. All right, time to test the clutch. See how it feels. Oh, that feels great. All right, I got that mount off the AC. Looks like that's how it mounts exactly. I need to do this side first, tucks it in as close as possible, and then line it up with the other screws. So, well, since I have nothing else to do, I think I'm going to fill the engine with oil and see if there's any leaks there. And then I think I'm gonna clean, because I really need to clean. I could not find a filler neck, so I just cut this old transmission fluid bottle. Okay, guys, it is 8:30. We just got the O-rings. I thought it was gonna come at like 3 o'clock today, but that's fine. We're gonna get this engine running tonight. Oh, baby. Those look right. Let's go. They look slightly different. Slightly different. Well, there's only one way to find out. Well, guys, this does not look right at all. Well, guys, this is the turbo that I bought off of Facebook Marketplace. As you can see, it's beautifully welded. Pristine welds, actually. So, we're gonna cut this part off because this is a side dump and we want it to meet with my actual exhaust. So we're just gonna cut it right here, and Jake is gonna be a professional and fabricate it to where it meets with my actual exhaust. So, but the rest of this kit, if you just ignore this bottom down, it's actually pretty clean. This is like $300 on its own, at the cheapest. So pretty good deal. But yeah, I just need to go find Jake. Oh, okay. It is Thursday and I got the official O-ring, but I only got one, which is awesome. So I went to O'Reilly's, picked up one that was a very, very close size. Got it to fit in there. So I'm hoping that it does the job. I'm really nervous. If it leaks a lot, I can't run it. So here it goes, nothing. Well, this isn't a good attitude, but I'm just gonna assume it's gonna leak again so I don't get disappointed. And if it does, I'll be really happy. So let me just set up the hose and let's get this thing filled up with water. I'm having the hardest time fixing this leak. Like, it's like the gasket is not even working. So I might be an idiot because I think my gasket is the wrong way. And I've been struggling this whole time because of that. So now I'm gonna take off all of these bolts, put them all back on after I flip the gasket around, and then we're gonna fill it up again. But that's an absolute troll. But that's okay, we learn, we make mistakes, and we knew this was gonna happen. And it's only 8 o'clock. It's only 8 o'clock. Here we go. Okay, this is the part where I'm getting extremely scared because I'm getting like steps away from getting this engine started. And like, I've been teasing this so much, like, guys, tomorrow's gonna be the day I get the engine started. But like, should I? Probably, because it's fun and you guys want to see it. I know you guys want to see it. I got basically the entire engine wired up. It's just this fuel ratio gauge I want to have set up before I start the car because I want to see what it reads, because my tuner said that if it doesn't read a 14, then I shouldn't run it, which would suck if it didn't run a 14, but it's gonna run a 14. That's what I know. Okay, I just got the fuel pump to prime and it just squirted out fuel everywhere because that was not tightened down. I did not realize that. So I'm gonna tighten that down really quick. See, now I'm going to put on the hardware that I got from Amazon because I was missing it and bent my fuel injectors. So now I'm gonna reinstall my fuel injectors and hopefully everything goes swell. Look how much better this is seating already. And I just have the spacers in now and better studs. And oh my gosh, it just looks better. Like, it looks like it's actually naturally fitting and no longer squeezing the crap out of them. So I'm really happy about that. Hopefully they work good. We'll see.
I don't know where the footage went, but I actually tried starting the car, and this is me attempting for the 4th time.
Attempt number 4. The frick, guys. Gosh darn it. Okay, grounds were officially made. Gonna give it a little fuel. That wasn't the problem. Half throttle. Here we go. In Jesus' name, I pray this car starts. Let's go. Oh, I tried so hard. Draining the gas right now. Almost done. And then gonna get some fresh gas in it. Hopefully this is the problem. Okay, got the gas drained out of it. Now I just need to find my keys and go get some more gas. Your boy left the keys in the ignition. That is something your boy would do. All right, I forgot to record, but I got the new gas. Gotta pop this, open this, and hopefully this fits in there. I think it will. I need 2 hands. Okay, here's what's gonna happen. We're going to hold the gas pedal down for 5 to 10 seconds so we can drain the old trash fuel out. Then, after that, I'm going to slowly let off of the gas and hopefully let more gas come through. And then, hopefully it goes... Well, it won't idle, frick. But it's starting. Why aren't you idling? Okay, ChatGPT time again. Wow, it actually starts. What the freak? Okay, I realized it could be the intercooler being plugged in. I kind of forgot about it, to be honest with you. So I put this filter on just straight on the throttle body just so that it wouldn't suck up anything unnecessary. And yeah, now I'm just gonna try to start it, see if it'll idle. Okay, I got the stock intake on because I think that might be messing with how rich the fuel is running. Because realistically, it should be running really lean, not really rich, if the tune is wrong. So, like, there's no way it should be running really rich. So I'm just gonna start it up again and hope for the best. All right, it is hours later. I don't know how long it's been. Got a new tune, well, not a new tune. I got a adjustment on the tune for less fuel so that it'll run not as rich. And hopefully this changes something. If it doesn't, I'm giving up. Not actually, but I want to. So let's get started.